Is your Squarespace website looking a little stale? Let's breathe new life into it. First, log into your Squarespace account. You'll land on your dashboard. Select the website you want to update and click on it. This will bring you to the main editing interface. Time to navigate. The Pages section is where you'll manage all your website's content. Click on Pages to see your site's structure. Pick the page you want to edit. Let's say it's the About Us page. Clicking it opens the page in edit mode. See that text? Click anywhere within the text block, and an edit button will appear. Click it to start typing your changes. You can add new text, delete old text, or reformat what's already there. Want to swap out an image? Click on the image, then click the Replace button that pops up. You can upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your Squarespace library. Let's tweak the design. Go back to the left-hand menu and click Design. This opens a whole new world of customization. Site Styles is your best friend here. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and spacing to match your current branding. Remember to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully made edits to your Squarespace website. Now go out there and keep your site fresh, engaging, and absolutely you.